Hello, welcome to Not for Exam, and I am your host Sujit, and we are going to talk about path difference and phase difference. Let's take a look at the given figure. Waves produced at source S1 and S2 are A1 sin omega t plus theta 1 and A2 sin omega t plus theta 2. At point P at a distance x1 and x2 respectively from S1 and S2, waves will be given as y1 is equal to A1 sin omega t minus kx1 plus theta 1 and y2 is equal to A2 sin omega t minus kx2 plus theta 2. Therefore, phase constant of wave from S1 at P will be phi1, that is minus kx1 plus theta 1, and phase constant of wave from S2 at P will be phi2, that is minus kx2 plus theta 2. Therefore, the phase difference between the two waves at P is delta phi, that is phi2 minus phi1. Therefore, the phase difference between the two waves at P is delta phi, that is phi2 minus phi1, that is theta 2 minus theta 1 minus kx2 minus x1, or delta theta minus k delta x. This net phase difference delta phi has two terms. One is delta theta, that is the phase difference due to the source, and minus k delta x is the phase difference due to the path difference. So we can say that phase difference due to the sources is delta theta, theta 2 minus theta 1, and phase difference due to the path difference is minus k delta x, that is minus k x2 minus x1. Also, as an example, if delta theta is 0 and x2 greater than x1, then we can understand that wave 2 lag behind the wave 1. Thanks for watching Not for Exam, and we will see you next time.